Reykjavik, Iceland, and we're going to get a rental car so we can get to our Airbnb.
So we've picked up our rental car from Europcar and we're heading into Reykjavik. Just left the transmission lights for you. They don't quite look like the ones at home. Does this van look safe to drive?
Our apartment in Iceland, and then we've got an eating area here, and then over here is the living room / Katie and Colette's room with a balcony. The bathroom, the most exciting thing I saw when we walked in the door was, look, it's a washing machine. I'm very excited. This is Sean and Stacey's room. Sean is already thinking he's going to take a nap. Not happening.
And the view of the church out the window.
And then we have Andrew's room over here. He also is thinking that we're going to take a nap.
Bedtime.
We're not. And then this is our kitchen. It's really cute. It even has a door that goes out into a balcony where we can have breakfast and tea in the mornings or even in the afternoons. And we have a second balcony off the living room. So.
We are going to go shopping for groceries in the bonus. So we just got done shopping at the bonus and our total was just shy of $43. How much did you spend, Colette?
I don't know.
You didn't look?
I didn't look. I did get a receipt.
We are starting our Reykjavik walk, which is about a 2-hour walk, and we're starting it in Ingolsfjord Square. And these two stone pillars represent the two wooden pillars that were dropped off the boat when they first settled Reykjavik.
Here, the original harbor front in Reykjavik used to come up to. And here is
The hub of Reykjavik.
gold marker marking the point. This is the last part of the harbor, of the water that's connected to the harbor of Reykjavik.
This is kind of the back street of Reykjavik. No matter where you're at in Reykjavik, even if it's a tourist area, you're always a couple blocks away from a local housing development. They just open the windows and create a cool cross breeze.
When they started building the hotel here, they found remains from a 10th century Viking settlement.
they vote for a party, not for people. And this is Constitution Square, and when the country went bankrupt in 2008, this is where the people gathered to demand the government resign. And then this is a church, and I can't remember the name of it.
The Lutheran Church.
The Lutheran Church, yes. 1846.
This is a mural of the starting of the country, Iceland.
On the Cafe Paris.
Okay, this is the first structure that was built in Iceland that wasn't built out of wood or mud. This was actually a prison initially, but now it's the Prime Minister's house.
And that's the concert hall. What? That's the concert hall.
The Harpa.
The Harpa.
And another bus. And another.
So this building right here, labeled the Sella building, is the first bank in Iceland. We're in Reykjavik. And this street is called the Bank Strata, which is Bank Street after that bank.
Okay.
Scalable or Duskinum.
Okay. Andrew, you want to try it? Katie, you want to try it?
Scala or Dustiger.
Okay. Sean, you want to try it?
Skólavörð through Stiger.
And that's the name of that street. This is volcanic rock that made this gel.
And the main altar is a simple table. Notice how the ends of the pews echo the stair step of the steeple outside.
This is the square outside of the Lutheran Cathedral.
Son of Iceland, discoverer of Vinland, the United States of America, to the people of Iceland on the 1000th anniversary of the Althing, AD 1930.
Hi, this was the end of our first day in Iceland and everybody is asleep. Today is the longest day of the year and we don't have blackout curtains here, so it's very light. So I'm not sure if I'm going to get much sleep because this is how it's going to be most of the night. So happy first day of summer.